Unlike XML, numbers are differently identifiable data values in case of JSON. Let us know details about this type. The main features of numbers as the data items are as follows. JSON identifies numbers being a data value item which contain digits or sign indicator which is not enclosed in double quotes. Similar to other data types, the number data value also need to be on right side of colon character. Number data types support integer values, fractions or scientific notation represented numbers. The details of integers numbers support in JSON is as follows. Integers can be signed values and may be a negative number if required. The maximum size of integer allowed is not limited by JSON specifications. It may, however, be limited by the capability of application which is used to read or write it. The leading zeros in numbers are not allowed. JSON supports fraction formats also. The details are as follows. Standard decimal based fractions can be given. Signed fractions are allowed. Accuracy of fraction is not defined by JSON specifications. The reading and writing application have to take care of number of digits before or after the decimal place. Only one leading significant zero before decimal is allowed. In fact, it is essential to provide. More than one insignificant zeros are not allowed. Lagging zeros can be given as per need to define accuracy, but applications need to read it accurately as per degrees of significance. Scientific notation that is represented by integer or fraction part followed by exponent part can also be used with JSON. Here are the details. Basic scientific notation is well supported. Negative base as well as exponent value is supported. One pre-decimal leading zero is a must. All insignificant leading zeros are disallowed. Lagging zeros are allowed as per the need of precision. Zero value exponents are allowed. Further, I must also remind you that fraction exponent values can never be given in a scientific notation. JSON parsers will also give error on fraction exponent values.